have you
Welcome to how to install. Today I am going to show you how to add brushes in Adobe Photoshop. So it is a canvas and here I am selecting brush tools. This is brushes I already have. So if you see all the brushes, so I am going to two brushes into this. I have already downloaded the brushes. You can download it from the online. So these are two brushes. Then copy these files into the your directory, that means the Photoshop directory. Here is the it's in my program files Adobe in Photoshop CC17, and in this directory in brushes just paste it. Then again go to the Photoshop. So first time you can't see the brushes, so close and again restart the application. Just close it and open it again. When the application open, create a new canvas. And then go to the brushes, select the brush, then from brushes here you can see there is no brushes and added any brushes. So go to the load brush from an option, then select the brushes pasted earlier, just select them and click on load. You will see the brushes in options, so just select the brush and draw. So in Photoshop you can easily add the brushes like this. So that's all about how to add brushes. So thanks for watching.
I have you